Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Foodie Pinoy. Today, we're going to make a sweet milky candy recipe loved by kids and adults, pastillas. Watch until the end of this video to see how we level up the plain pastillas. We will need 2 cups full cream powdered milk, 1 can condensed milk, and white sugar. First, pour in the condensed milk in a large bowl. Then add around half of the powdered milk. Mix it up until it looks like this. Add the rest of the powdered milk and continue to mix until well blended. Add some more powdered milk if you feel that the mixture doesn't reach yet the right consistency. What we are looking for is something that can be molded. In my case, I need to add another half cup of powdered milk. Mix it up again until well blended. After mixing, we can now mold our pastillas mixture. You can choose whatever shape you want, but we are sticking with a conventional oblong shape. Get a spoonful amount of pastillas and roll it into your hands until you reach the desired shape and size. Then dredge it in white sugar. The next step is to wrap them individually using cellophane. I cannot find any cellophane, so I'm using a baking sheet paper which I cut into square shapes. Just wrap each pastillas and roll them tightly in the baking sheet paper and seal it by twisting both ends. We want to level up these pastillas, so we will try to toast them. Since oven is not available, we're going to toast them in a non-stick pan. Let's see if this will work. We're using a different shape for the toasted version. Get a spoonful amount of pastillas mixture and mold them in a rectangular shape around 1.5 cm size. Roll each pastillas in sugar and do the same with the rest of the mixture. The next step is to toast the rectangular pastillas in a non-stick pan. Heat the pan in low to medium heat, and once hot enough, place each pastillas and toast until the sugar caramelized and turned brown. It will take around 30 to 40 seconds to brown each side, and just flip until all the sides are toasted. It will look similar to this. This is quite tedious, but the result is worth it. And it's done! Here's our plain and toasted version of pastillas. We love the toasted version because of its bittersweet taste. Try this recipe and feedback to us which version you prefer. Enjoy! Hi guys! Did you like this recipe? Let us know in the comment section below. Hit like if you enjoyed this video. This will help us know that you are enjoying our content. If you haven't subscribed yet, click subscribe button and make sure to click also the bell icon so you'll get notified once we release new videos. Until next time, this is Foodie Pinoy saying goodbye, and it's a wrap!